Hello. Just look at this. It's Animal Kingdom. It's Animal Kingdom. This kind of thing can never happen in any reasonable place. In any reasonable country, this will never happen. This is what is called Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom. This thing actually is happening right now in Lagos. You can see the guy is playing with his life and he's enjoying it. This is in the middle of, we call it in Africa Express, but in abroad we call it Autobahn. The guy is trying his luck, you know, in the middle of 6 lanes. 6 or 4 lanes. This guy is behind the kind of bus, a commercial bus, going to somewhere. This is a Yoruba guy. This is a typical Yoruba guy. This is those people they call Agbero. Agbero. This is Agbero. Catching fun, playing with his life. You can imagine. This is what we tell people to get civilized, but I think they don't get it. They don't get it. No, they don't get it. This is purely Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom. It's funny. It's funny. Very funny. I'll leave you guys to enjoy the guy's music and the drama the guy is playing. I want you to enjoy it a little bit. But this is what we see in Africa. It's really an eyesore. Not to be seen. It's dangerous. Someone putting rope on his neck. That is what it is. It's purely Animal Kingdom. Take good care of yourself. Okay, thank you so much.